Hello everyone, today we will be studying the difference between merger and acquisition. First point, meaning. A merger is a combination of two or more than two companies voluntary to form a new company. It can be defined as the collaboration of two or more companies to form a new company in any expanded form. Here one company will cease to exist and the other company will absorb the former. Whereas in acquisition, when one company purchases the business of another entity, it is known as acquisition. It can be defined as a process of selling one company to another. Second point, purpose. A merger happens to decrease competition as well as increase operational efficiency, whereas an acquisition happens to consolidate an instantaneous growth. Third point, nature of decision. In merger, it is a mutual decision of the companies going through mergers, whereas in acquisition, it is a friendly or hostile decision by acquiring an acquired company. Fourth point, title. In merger, a new name is given, whereas in acquisition, the acquired company comes under the name of the acquiring company. Fifth point, ownership. Dilution of ownership occurs in merger, whereas in acquisition, the acquirer does not experience the dilution of ownership. Sixth point, legal formalities. The merger requires more legal formalities. It is expensive than acquisition. Through mergers, shareholders can increase their net worth, whereas the acquisition requires less legal formality. It is a less expensive than merger. 7 point, valuation. In merger, the valuation tends to be lower as both sides have an incentive to make it work, whereas in acquisition, valuation is typically higher as one side wants to maximize the financial value of the deal. Eighth point, size. The size of the merging company is more or less the same, whereas the acquiring company is larger or bigger than the acquired one. Ninth point, formation of a new company. In merger, there is a formation of a new company, whereas in acquisition, there is no formation of new company. 10th point, merger results in combination of resources, operations, and market share, whereas acquisition results in access to new markets, technologies, and operational efficiencies. 11th point, example. Few examples of mergers are Vodafone and Idea, AT&T merged with Times Warner, Disney merged with Marvel Entertainment, Flipkart merged with Myntra. For acquisition, we have examples like Tata Motors acquired Jaguar, Sun Pharmaceuticals acquired Ranbaxy Laboratories Ltd. Conclusion. In conclusion, a merger and acquisition are important corporate finance strategies that allow companies to grow, expand their operations, and increase their market share. Understanding the key differences between these two concepts is crucial in order to make informed decisions and evaluate the potential impact on company and its stakeholders. While both a merger and acquisition can offer benefits such as increased market share, economies of scale, and access to new markets, technologies, they also come with challenges such as cultural differences, integration issues, and potential job losses. Ultimately, whether a merger or acquisition is the right strategy for a particular company will depend upon specific goals, market condition, and competitive landscape.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.